In the heart of the jungle lived a lion named Leo. All the other animals thought he should be fierce and strong, like a proper king of the jungle. But Leo had a secret. He loved to dance. Every night when the moon rose high, Leo twirled and spun under the stars. His paws tapped to the rhythm of the crickets, and his tail swished like a drumstick. But whenever the other animals saw him, they laughed. "Lions don't dance, lions roar," said the monkeys. "You should chase zebras, not chase music," teased the hyenas. Leo felt embarrassed, but deep inside he knew dancing made him happier than anything else. One day, a great storm blew through the jungle. The winds were wild and the trees bent low. The animals were scared. The elephants trumpeted, the parrots squawked, and the monkeys clung to the trees. Suddenly, the thunder rumbled like a giant drum. Leo felt the beat in his chest. He began to dance, leaping, spinning, and stomping to the storm's rhythm. His movements calmed the frightened animals. The monkeys stopped trembling. The parrots grew quiet. One by one, the animals gathered to watch. Instead of laughing, they began to cheer. When the storm passed, the jungle was filled with joy. "Leo, your dancing made us brave," said the zebra. "You're not just the king of the jungle, you're the king of dance," said the monkeys. From that day on, Leo danced proudly, and the animals danced with him. The jungle was never the same. It was full of music, rhythm, and joy. And Leo learned that being different was his greatest strength.